everyone. We are back with another important topic for IGCSE, which is genetics. In genetics, we are going to take a very important concept, which is codominance. Okay. So, you know that in codominance, both the alleles are equally important, that is, are equally expressed. Both the alleles are equally expressed. That means that if there is allele A and allele B, together they are codominant. Together they are codominant. It means that characters of both will be equally expressed. Okay, so there is an example coming over here, and we will explain the phenomena of codominance by this example. So the question is, calculate the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic means what appears, what can be seen. Calculate the phenotypic ratio when a female with blood group AB reproduces with a male of blood group O. Okay, so first of all, you should know that blood grouping follows two important phenomena. It is controlled by multiple alleles. Okay, multiple alleles, meaning there are three alleles which control the blood grouping. So they are IA, IB, and IO. Okay, so other common characteristics we have seen that they are controlled only by two alleles, but blood grouping is controlled by three alleles. Also, they obey the phenomena of codominance. Okay, so let's understand codominance by this example. So human beings are diploid, so we always have two copies of the alleles, one from the mother's side, one from the father's side. So the question says that a female with blood group AB, so this is the female, okay, this is the female. Female has blood group AB, it follows codominance, that means A is also expressed, B is also expressed, and it becomes AB. So this is the genotype of the female having blood group AB. Reproduces or is crossed with a male having blood group O. Now, here you must understand that IO is a recessive allele. Recessive means it will be expressed only when it is in the double dose. So we have IA, which with IO will be expressed, IB will be expressed with IO, but IA and IB will be expressed together if they are together. That means none of them will be, alone expressed, they'll be called as AB. All right, so let us form the gametes. So gametes are always in circles. So there are two kinds of gametes which are formed over here, IA and IB. This one can form, the father can form IO. Now, let's make a Punnett square. So we make the Punnett square. So we have taken the Punnett square with the gametes this side, okay? And then we go on with the process. So here, so IO with an IA is IO, IB, and IO is IB, IO. So as a rule, write the dominant allele first, and then again IO is IO, again IB, IO is IB, IO. So let's write the phenotypes. So what is going to be the phenotype of this genotype? The phenotype will be blood group A, blood group A. Here it will be blood group B. You know why it is? Because O is receptive. Here again it is going to be blood group A, and here it will be blood group B. So you can see 50% of the children could be blood group A, 50% could be blood group B. So phenotypic ratio over here will be 2 blood group A, okay, and is to 2 blood group B, okay. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so the phenotypic ratio will be 1:1. So the answer to this question will be 1:1. And of course, genotypes, these are the genotypes. So I hope you followed this cross, and in your exams, if you get a question like this, you would first write the genotypes of the parents, then make the gametes, and then make the Punnett square and write the respective typic ratio. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for other important videos.